बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आउज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos signing in, and I hope so you all are fine, and I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am sharing with you a beautiful and super classy and very interesting upcycling craft work with jeans. You can recycle your jeans with these crafts. This is super amazing and very unique and very classy craft work for you guys. I am enjoying this craft work very much, and I hope so you also enjoying this craft work. You can recycling your jeans with these craft work, and this is very cool and very attractive for your home decor. You can also watch different kind of craft work videos on my channel like pebble craft, wall hanging ideas, button craft, polymer clay craft, and also upcycling or recycling craft work. So guys, if you want different other craft work videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel, inshallah. And you guys, firstly, if you are new on my channel, then firstly subscribe my channel, and you guys share this video with your friends, and you also hit the bell icon for more details and for more notifications about my channel. I personally enjoyed craft videos, that's why I am sharing with you a beautiful craft work videos on my channel. You can easily make these craft work at your home, and you can watch tutorials on YouTube about these craft work, and you make these craft work very easily, and this is very cool and very classic craft work for you guys. And I like the way they create different kind of things for home decor or for different things. It is recycling your jeans. This is very awesome craft work, and these images are very awesome. And if you want different other kind of videos, then you hit the bell icon, and you can share different stories or different kind of things in the comment section. So guys, follow for more details, and I am very thankful to you for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super amazing and super classic craft work for you guys. So guys, always take care of yourself, always think positive, always be positive, and support my channel and follow for more details. And you make these craft work very easily. Take care of yourself and stay tuned. Allah Hafiz guys.